Falling in love with you was the easiest thing I've ever done. You're a true blessing. You're a gift to all of our hearts and all of our souls. You truly make the world a better place wherever you are. I'm the luckiest man in the world tonight, because I now get to call you my wife. I love you so much. I can't wait to grow old with you. In the name of God, I, Eric, take you, Ashley, to be my wife.
In the name of God, I, Ashley, take you, Eric, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse,
For richer, for poorer.
in sickness and in health,
To love and to cherish.
until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Ashley, you are beautiful, you're intelligent, you are apparently into sci-fi, and you are a perfect fit for Eric. This beautiful wedding is a perfect example of what their partnership can create. With Ashley in charge and Eric by her side, there's nothing you two can't do. Congratulations.
Ashley and Eric started dating about 6 months before my wedding, and I told her she couldn't invite him. I was like, you guys have only been dating for a few months. Why do you want to bring this guy? And she was like, because I am going to marry him one day. I'm serious. He's the one. And so this is Eric's second Winvian wedding.